we can pull it. Whoa! Not what I was expecting. G'day scientists, today we're reviewing the Butterfly Edufields Shooter's Catapult Kit. It cost me $31 from Amazon. Right, let's open up and take a look. On the front here you can see it's a 3-in-1 game. It looks like you can build a catapult shooter and an arrow ball shooter. It says ages 7+ and eco-friendly, so probably mostly made of wood. Yes, absolutely right. Inside, some elastic bands, wooden parts, the shooting balls here, some heavy cardboard parts, and a target. Oh, and the instructions on the back here. I love this. They've also got a scanning for video instructions here, so you can scan your phone, look it up on YouTube, probably follow along. Yeah, they look pretty good, but I'm going to ignore them and just build from the kit. We're going to build this arrow ball shooter, which looks like it's a trigger-based ball shooting thing. I said these were cardboard. They're actually MDF, like that powdered wood that's then glued back together into a substance. I guess it's environmentally friendly, although it uses glue, so I'm not quite sure how those chemicals are made, but definitely better than just plastic. A lot of it comes already assembled. In fact, looking at this, it's MDF and foam attached together. It looks very sturdy. I do this all the time. I put the plastic bag down that has the sticky part on it on top of the instructions, and then when I'm tearing it off, luckily I didn't do it this time. Normally when I tear it off, I'm like ripping the instructions at the same time. So annoying. Let's pop out these pieces. They all pop out very easily. Okay, first of all, we start with this big part here. They've got numbers on. So 1, 2, and 3. Excellent. 2 goes here, like that. And then 3 at the top here. They slot in fairly easily. Not mega hard to do at all, but when they're in, they're still very sturdy. I'm liking it so far. The 2 big triangle pieces, 4 and 5. And then you slide piece number 6 into here. And then number 7 goes in here, like that. 9, 8 and 9. On the top, like that. It's here, in the bottom. Like that. On that side. Number 12. 12 on either side. That's a little bit unclear. They've got some green elastic bands and red elastic bands. I only have red bands. Okay, but let's try it out anyway. So that goes, first of all, through here. Stretch and lock the pieces. Okay. Got it. So that goes on there. That goes on there. And then over the top here. The instructions get less clear as you work through this kit, but I think I've got it right. Insert the trigger. Cool. Got it. That goes there, like that. These bigger bands look almost too big for this kit, but let's put them on. Okay, trigger bands go there, and then push it down onto there. Okay, cool. Okay, now we insert the balls into the top. Okay, we've loaded one ball in. I'm gonna fire and see what happens. Whoa! Whoops! And we can pull it. Whoa! Not what I was expecting. Sorry. It took me about 10 minutes to assemble this kit, which is not a very long time. Did I learn about science while doing it? Sure. The elastic bands show how you can transfer force from a stretched band into catapulting a ball across the room. Is it a bit dangerous? The balls are quite hard, so if they hit you or expensive camera equipment, it might do some damage. There is a super weird smell coming from this kit. I would say it's suitable for ages 7 and up, just like the box says. Is it good fun? Yes, you will lose the balls for sure, and could be quite annoying for some parents. At $31, it's one of the cheaper kits we've reviewed. I am going to give this shooter's kit 2 stars for fun, 2 stars for price, and 2 stars for learning. Buy or bye-bye! It's a buy. Not the best kit, but it wasn't too bad either. If you haven't seen it yet, check out this video where I build a walking robot.